In this video, you will learn how to use the conditioner creams. No matter what collection you choose, use it all the same. Take a nice amount of conditioner and put it around the perimeter of your hair first, making sure to not miss a spot. This conditioner will go on smooth and it will appear white in your hair in the beginning. Simply rub it in and eventually it will clear. Take a nice section in your hair and put a nice amount of conditioner towards the scalp, working its way down to the strands of your hair. Make sure you apply the conditioner to the ends of your hair as well. This always helps to moisturize and hydrate your hair, which helps to prevent and even eliminate breakage. Pull the conditioner down the strands of your Sisterlocks. This will help to coat your entire head. The best part of all the conditioners in the Beautiful Hair Products collection is that there are no chemicals, no harsh chemicals. We have wonderful ingredients such as essential oils like peppermint, lavender. We have coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera juice, castor seed oil, jojoba oil, lanolin, just to name a few. These ingredients help to coat your hair and help to eliminate breakage and dryness. Make sure to massage your scalp thoroughly when you put the products in your hair. As you can see, I am holding my head and rotating the scalp. And I am using my thumbs to massage the back of my neck. This is all good to stimulate your scalp and encourage new hair growth. Be very gentle as you massage. Do not use your fingertips because this will break your hair. This feels so good. And you will begin seeing new hairs crop up in between your Sisterlocks. Enjoy!